Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to consume vitamin C tablets. Place the tablet on your tongue and swallow with a full glass of water immediately. Take tablets with a meal to reduce stomach upset and improve absorption when possible. For chewable forms, chew thoroughly before swallowing or dissolve effervescent tablets in water. Keep a consistent daily schedule and store tablets in a cool, dry place away from children. Many adults take 500 mg to 1,000 mg of vitamin C daily, but personal needs vary and smaller doses can work well. Space doses through the day to boost absorption and minimize digestive effects. Avoid extremely large single doses that may cause loose stools or cramps. Read supplement labels for milligram content and form, and keep consistent timing. If unsure, ask your healthcare provider for personalized dosing advice. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while taking supplements to help swallowing and digestion, and sip water throughout the day. If you like a reliable bottle, consider the Oala water bottle for easy drinking and a secure lid. It pairs nicely with your supplement routine. If this helps, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Vitamin C can increase iron absorption when taken with iron-containing foods, which helps people with low iron. Be cautious about high single doses that might trigger diarrhea or abdominal cramps. Inform your healthcare provider if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, undergoing chemotherapy, or taking prescription medications. Always disclose supplements during medical visits to avoid interactions. Adjustments to timing or dose can optimize benefits and safety based on individual health needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.